Hello and welcome to MFCP Woodworking. My name is John. I'm the host. I haven't posted a video in a very long time. So this is really a relaunch video. Just getting things started again. It's not going to be very long. If you're subscribed to the channel already, if you haven't, I mean, by all means subscribe. But if you're interested in what we're doing here, if you've looked at our stuff, please listen to the whole video because I'm trying to give a lot of information here right now that's important to our future. Okay, first off, there's some old business to take care of. We had a promotion going where we would do a draw when we reach a certain level of subscribers. I am right now canceling that program. It's not been a success. I would say it's a total failure, but it didn't go the way I wanted it to, and I find it's way too much work for the reward we're getting out of it, which right now is nothing. Some people have subscribed because of that program. If you're one of those people, if you're feeling ripped off, reach out to us, because I'd be willing to do coupons or something on our web store to try to make up for that. It's just been too much work. One thing that's been happening is people would subscribe and then say they want to be part of it, and then they'd unsubscribe right away. It doesn't work that way. That's just playing a game with it, and I don't appreciate that. Other people would just not subscribe and say they wanted part of it. And the other thing is they would just subscribe and not say anything. Okay, and I can go through my information, try to track down who those people are. But how do I know whether they actually want to be in part of it or not? It's just too much work. I'm going to do promotions in the future, but they're not going to work like that one because I'm not going to go through that again. It's too much work for no reward. I did have one winner on my first draw. He was actually at that point the only valid entry. I've been holding that for him for more than a year. Okay, he's never responded to the fact that he won. I posted the information; it's not been hidden, but he never responded. So I don't see any point in my continuing it at this point. The videos involved are temporarily hidden. I'm going to redo the description on them. I will likely redo the thumbnail. So that it doesn't make that offer. I know it's mentioned in the video, the promotion, but I can write in the notes and say, look, that is passed. Okay, if you have a problem with that, contact me, whatever. I don't have a problem. My customer service is excellent, and I think we can come to a mutually acceptable agreement if you don't think what I've done is fair. I just don't want to waste time on it because it's been a huge waste of time. With that taken care of, okay, there's a lot of things that are going to happen with this. I've got new equipment. If you look behind me here, I've got a brand new lathe. I've bought some other pieces of equipment, calipers, which this leads to a couple of videos right away showing you how to use the calipers, doing a review of this particular lathe, why I bought it, why I recommend or don't recommend it, depending on what your needs are. I've also gotten a Jacobs chuck, which is a nice little addition. I've gotten Forstner bits to match that. I don't have everything I want, but I've made some progress. I've also spent most of the year focusing on establishing an online store. If you like this channel and you like our stuff and you want to support us, the best way to do that, besides subscribing and liking and commenting on the videos so that they go to more people, is to go to my store and buy something you like. And if you don't like anything, if you visit, don't worry about it. There's more things coming. Right now it's mostly hair sticks in the shop. I do have a bunch of stuff I want to get ready. We're waiting to take pictures of them. Some of them are already finished and ready, some of them are not. The other focus is there is a store in town where I live here that would like to carry my stuff on consignment. I would like to do that. My primary focus, of course, is to turn this into a real business. Over the past year, I've turned this from a semi-expensive hobby to a self-supporting hobby, and I would like it to take it another step to where it's actually giving a significant income, and I'd like to get to the point where I can at least go part-time work close to home here and be able to earn the rest of my income from this. Of course, long term, I'd like to be completely flying solo, doing my own thing. That's where I'd like to be. Lots of ideas coming up, lots of stuff that I can do, lots of capabilities I had that I didn't have before. I think I'm a little better at making videos now, although this one might not prove that. I don't like being a talking head. I'd rather show you what I'm doing, and one of the reasons why we didn't make videos for a long time is because the camera was busted. My youngest son managed to fix one of them. Those wonderful little handy cams that you get real cheap on eBay or Amazon that have the little flip screen that you can turn towards you or towards a person. Nice microphone, everything else. I don't recommend them. They don't last. Some of them, if you read the reviews, some of them are not functional right straight out of the box. But we've managed to fix one. Hopefully it'll be reliable for a while. It's been very frustrating in that regard, because whenever I'm in the mood to make a video or have something I'd like to video what I'm doing, it's not available, or it wasn't available. Now it is, and the only other camera we had is not really a video camera. You had to have someone operating it, so I had to have somebody else free to be with me. The other thing was it would eat through batteries like nobody's business. We have some rechargeable batteries for it, but it doesn't give you much time to make a video. If you're going to shoot a 10 or 20 minute video, 10 or 15 minutes of footage isn't good enough, and I don't like taking it in too many installments. This particular video, I'm not planning to edit it because I'm tight on time. I'd rather produce stuff. I'm hoping to produce something once every week. No promises. My primary focus is the business, but I'd like to show you what I'm doing. And it's a bonus for the business. It does bring attention to it. Check the description. There's going to be a link to my web store. There's going to be a link to the website, which is under construction right now. Website's going to be primarily showing galleries of the work I've done in the past. I have several hundred pictures that I want to put in there. It's a very long, slow process, and I don't have a lot of time. But if you check these things out, you know, it's worth your while, I think. It'll give you an idea what I'm doing, and if there's something there you like, you can send me a message if you're interested in me making one for you, because that's where I will do my custom work. That should be about it for this particular video. If you like the video, like and subscribe. If you like what the channel is doing, like and subscribe. That way you can see it. I will be bringing more videos to you soon, and thanks for watching.